Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from Pittman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 26. Start. 1. We have a nice house for sale in Rose Park. Full stop. It has 6 rooms and 2 baths. Full stop. 2. We have sold twice as many copies of the book since the notice was put in the magazine. Full stop. 3. Now is the time to buy your bulbs and seeds. Full stop. The soil is ready for them. Full stop. 4. We have many choice varieties on sale, and we hope you will come in and choose some. Full stop. 5. He said the city would have to raise the oil tax or else levy a sales tax. Full stop. 6. I shall be in your city on Tuesday, 20th March, and I should like to speak to you, if you can spare a few minutes. Full stop. 7. I am leaving the city on Tuesday. Full stop. I shall be sorry to miss you, but I have no choice. Full stop. 8. Our cashier daily takes the checks which come in the mail to the bank. Full stop. 9. Bill has to pay the check in to the bank on Saturday when he leaves the office. Full stop. 10. On Saturday we are having a special sale of boys suits. Full stop.